Okay, what do I have for you? Ah! Okay, I have hold on. Hold on. Would you believe it? Would you believe it if I told you that we can already open membership? if you wanna join, you can. I have some emotes ready, so I figured I might as well just open it up. But no pressure to buy it. Only if you want to, as always. Open the floodgates. Okay. I also have emotes. Hold on. They're not all added because you can only have so many emotes. Hold on. Can I be annoying and like reveal the emotes slowly? Sort of. You're just gonna see them all though. Oh, there's one. If I'm being too annoying. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of green. Thank you guys so much. Honest, I don't know. I didn't know how many people would show up today, so I'm just feeling very grateful that you guys are here. It really means a lot to me. I just want you to know that it means like the world to me that you guys are here. And I also wanted to say that like no matter how you might know about me, I'm happy you're here. Whether you're a new fan, whether you watched my super old ASMR roleplays, however you know about me, I'm happy that you are here. You are welcome. So thank you. Okay, I have emotes. Oh, there's no... Wait, I know how to use OBS. Hold on. I can... Is this way too annoying, though? It's emotes. I don't have to reveal them one by one. Okay. We've got... Hold on. Make it bigger. We've got Nimi Sip. Oh, and these were made by the lovely artist Mariette. Oh my goodness, my chat has crashed. Thank you guys. It's all green. Okay, we've got Nimi Sip. I think I'll be able to add them all. Thanks to you guys. We've got Nimi Sip. We've got Nimi Angie. No talk me, I Angie. We've got Nimi Bonk. Don't make me get the pipe out. We've got Nimi Cry. We've got... This is always my favorite. We've got Nimi Flushed. And we've got a second row. We've got Nimi Heart. Nimi Laugh. Hee. Oh, this one is also really good. Wait! I have another thing I forgot to show you. I knew this would happen. I have glasses, although I don't know if there's any glass in them. They might just be for show, but I've got glasses too, so I can read your prescriptions. Nimi Nerd. This one's silly. Nimi... I don't know what I'm gonna call this one. Nimi Pain. Nimi Smile. Oh, and Nimi... Shocked. And I have sub-badges as well that are very cute. Including a very cute tapir x-ray. Taper? Tapir. Happier. Taper. I will leave those in. Should I add them? You guys have so many memberships. I can't even see the regular messages. Thank you so much. How do I add... Oh, this is how... Wait, they won't let me. It says I need 2 more members to add more. Wait, maybe if I refresh the page. I don't know how to use YouTube, I promise. Oh, yippee! I can add more. We're doing it live on stream. We're adding the emotes. Ah! Windows made a sound. You probably didn't hear it though. Nimi. Angie. Nimi. Bonk. This is the riveting debut content that you all crave. The adding emotes. Slowly. Wait, I accidentally added the same one twice. Hold on. Okay. This is what happens when you multitask. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think that is the correct amount. Oh, I've seen some of them. I've seen a few of them in the chat. Betwixt the green messages. Oh, I see. I'm beginning to see some cute hearts. Thank you. Okay, but